From a single picture to a fully detailed 3D model. Let's see how it's done. Hi everybody, welcome to the 9 Tower tutorials for learning the fastest method of modeling. Every week, we upload useful tutorials for you guys. To support us, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to keep you notified. Here we have a picture of a shoe cabinet. Let's see how we can turn it into a 3D model. First, we start by drawing a rectangle 260 to 50 centimeters. We use the push-pull tool to extrude this to 300 centimeters. And we use the rectangle tool in here, 10 centimeters. Another rectangle. We draw a rectangle from here, 60. We use the move tool, press Ctrl to get a copy, lock the axis, click in here, divide to 3. We have a drawer in here. Let's create that. We delete the excessive parts. And we use the push-pull tool again to push it inside. And now the thing that we are going to do, we use the offset tool. We offset it by 0.2 centimeters. This part again, all of them. We make a copy of all of these faces. We copy and we undo the things we did. And again, we offset by 2 centimeters. And we use the push-pull tool. We push them again inside, 49 centimeters, all of them. And we make this as a group. So now we are going to create the shelves inside the closet. And in here we draw a rectangle. We extrude it by 2 centimeters. We make it as a component. We use the move tool. We place it in here. Again, we press Ctrl to have a copy of this and we place it here. We divide it by 4. Now you can see that we have multiple shells. We copy the shells that we need. We use the move tool. We press Ctrl to have a copy. Lock the axis. We place them in here. Again, we press Ctrl to have a copy. We lock our axis and we place them in here. And for this part, we copy the shells that we need. We use the move tool, press the Ctrl, and lock the axis and we place them into its place. You can see that we created all the shelves so neat and into its place. So we mentioned earlier that we copy those faces and we will bring them back, and now we need them. We paste them in place. We use the push-pull tool to extrude them 2 centimeters. We apply that to all. And we make them as components. You can see that all of them are now components. And in this section, I'm going to apply a material on the parts that we need. We go to the full tray, click on a color, we color some of the parts that we need. We go back to the full tray. To put a texture on it, we click on Edit, find this button to import a texture. We click on that, find the texture, click on Open, and here we have our texture on it. You can see that all the parts are vertically positioned. We can change the position of our texture from here. We click on Texture, click on Position. We click on this green button. We move so it's smooth till here and press a click to finish. You can see that Now it's positioned horizontally. So for the rest of the parts, we come to the full tray, we select a color, and we apply. And in this part, we are going to apply a color code on our material so that we can have this beige color. We come to the full tray, click on edit, click on this, click on RGB, and 184 for R, 171 for G, and 145 for B. And here we have, look how elegant it looks with this color code, and it really matches the picture. And right now, let's create this drawer. We come in its back, we offset this part by 2 centimeters, we extrude it 40 centimeters, we delete this line, we offset again by 2 centimeters, we push it down by 50 centimeters, and look, we have our drawer created. And for having that button here, we should import that file, that component into our SketchUp. We simply go to File, click on Import, and click on the material that we have, and we place it wherever we want. And see how accurate and how beautiful we turn that picture into this 3D model. And in this part of our video, I'm going to introduce a plugin to you, and the plugin name is DBS Move Rotate Open Close. So let's start. This plugin works like this. We click on the panel that we have, we click on this gear button, we find the hinge button, we click on select, we find our hinge, we click on that, we click on the hand, we open it at angle we desire, we click, and we click on the door that we have, we click on the setting again, we click on open, and now we can open and close it so easily. And for the drawer, we click on the drawer, press on the setting, click on the slider, select the line that you want that drawer move along. You click on that, you press on hand, you move it till the place you want that to open. You click on the drawer, you click on the gear, you click on open and close the window, and now you can open and close it so easily. This was the introduction of this plugin, and for getting this plugin you can visit our website nicetowers.com, and you can then download this plugin and more plugins there. By the way, if you want the exact SketchUp file I'm using in this tutorial, you can get it right now. Just click the join button below, become a Nice Tower member, and get access to this project, our previous SketchUp files, and premium courses, all included with your membership. So don't just watch it, download it and try it yourself. And this was how we turned a simple picture into an elegant 3D model. If you found our video practical, like the video, sub to the channel, and hit the bell to achieve more of these tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Have fun. Catch you in the next one.